Hi, I'm Abby, the store manager. I make sure to check the email, the phone, and our socials for any customer questions, concerns, and input about our store and products. This is Candy, our master kit creator and shipper. Her superpower is finding the tiniest imperfections in seals and boots, ensuring we only use the top quality components in the kits we send to you. This is Bethany, our stocker and shipper. Bethany makes sure our shelves are stocked and ready with everything our customers need, and that our shipping materials are ready so we can get your orders out quickly. Throughout the day, Candy, Bethany, and I check the computers to make sure all of our orders are shipped out before the day is over. This is Steve, our technical advisor. He is our go-to guy for customers with older bikes looking for custom kits and trickier installation questions. This is Molly, the president of BrakeCrafters. She wears many hats at BrakeCrafters, from working with new suppliers, developing our online stores, collaborating with our creative department on social media, and making sure our team has what they need to get their jobs done. I hope you enjoyed meeting our team at BrakeCrafters and putting a face to our names and emails. We are all working together to help you keep your motorcycle running safely.